In 2026, content is a commodity. While amateur creators are fighting for pennies in the content loop, elite entrepreneurs have moved on to a different game: system architecture. If you are still manually managing every upload, your business isn't scaling, it's just a high-stress job. Today, we are opening the hood of a high-performance digital asset. We are analyzing the mechanics of the automation engine. A truly automated business isn't built on luck. It's built on three specialized modules. First, you need the strategic blueprint. You cannot automate a broken map. Using a proven roadmap like Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 allows you to identify high-margin gaps in the market before you ever hit record. Second is the traffic velocity module. Content without distribution is invisible. We deploy automated traffic systems to ensure that professional-grade assets reach Tier 1 audiences in the US and Norway, where a single view is worth 20 times more than the global average. Finally, you need the conversion engine. Instead of building from scratch, system architects use pre-built vendor solutions from Digistore 24 to launch high-ticket offers instantly. This is how you scale beyond your own hours. Stop being a creator, start being an architect. The complete map of this automation engine, including the links to all three modules, is in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you while supporting the high-end research we do here. Build systems, not just content. Subscribe to Tech-Driven Success ND to outbuild the competition.